Once upon a time, a young man walked into a monastery. He was wearing a black hoodie with headphones around his neck. He had a power bank in his pocket and a phone in his hand. He was about 23 or 24 years old. He felt burned out, but not from work, from everything in life. He sat down and said, "I am tired all the time, but I don't even do that much." I asked him, "When do you rest?" He said, "I scroll on my phone. I zone out sometimes. I sleep for 12 hours and still wake up tired. I don't know. I just shut off." I nodded and got up. I came back with an old phone charger. The wire was broken and frayed. I handed it to him and said, "Try to charge your phone with this." He laughed and said, "It's broken exactly." I said, "You keep trying to recharge your soul with things that actually drain it." I told him, "That's not rest, that's distraction." We live in a world where rest has been changed into something else. Scrolling on your phone is called me time. Binge-watching shows is called self-care. Silence feels scary, and the moment things get quiet, we reach for noise. But there is a cost. You're not just tired, you're disconnected from meaning, from clarity, from yourself. Over the next few days, he didn't do much. He walked. He sat in the sun. He wrote things down. He deleted some apps from his phone. He slept on a real schedule. For the first time in years, on his last day, he said something that stuck with me. It turns out I wasn't out of energy. I was just charging from the wrong source. You see, in life, in your life, don't confuse escape with healing. Don't confuse excitement with restoration. Real rest doesn't make you numb or dumb. It reconnects you to your inner self, to your true self.